see it burn, and do back the things it did to you in return. Said I'm gonna buy a gun and start a war. If you can tell me something worth fighting for, all I'm gonna buy this place is what I say. Blame it upon a rush of blood to the head.
Welcome to this next episode on electric ukulele playing. We're now at jam level, where we'll enjoy playing and develop technique and groove. If you're a beginner, you can also watch my earlier videos, which go into more detail. Here I'll just show you the isolated uke track.
And see it burn, do back the things it did to you in return. Said I'm gonna buy a gun and start a war. If you can tell me something worth fighting for, all I'm gonna buy this place is what I say. Blame it upon a rush of blood to the head.
Thank you.